Welcome back to our Arduino Component Tutorial Series. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at potentiometers. Potentiometers are essential components in electronics, commonly used in various applications where precise control over voltage or current is needed. You'll often find potentiometers in devices like volume controls for audio equipment and adjustable voltage regulators. They allow users to fine-tune settings and adjust parameters to suit their preferences or requirements. I will use the Arduino Uno for this video, but this will also work on any other Arduino. Let's take a look at how to set up a potentiometer using Arduino. Here's a simple circuit diagram. To assemble the circuit, you'll need an Arduino, a breadboard, a potentiometer, and jumper wires. Start by placing the potentiometer on the breadboard. Connect one end of the potentiometer to the ground on the Arduino, the other end to the 5 volts pin, and the middle to an analog input pin on the Arduino, such as A0. Potentiometers are 3-terminal variable resistors. By adjusting the position of the knob or slider, you can change the resistance between the wiper and the other terminals, thereby altering the voltage or current in a circuit. Now let's write a simple Arduino program to read the value from the potentiometers and print it into the serial monitor. We start by assigning the potentiometer pin to a variable. In the setup, we initialized the serial communication. In the loop, we get the potentiometer value by using the analog read function. The analog read function reads the voltage on the analog pin and converts it into a value between 0 and 1023. Next, we print and write the value into the console and add a little bit of delay to stabilize the readings. That's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.